In this video, I'll show you how to change the font style on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. If you want to give your phone a fresh new look, changing the font is a quick and easy way to do it. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Display. Now tap on Font Size and Style. Here, you'll see a few options: Font Style, Bold Font Toggle, and Font Size Slider to increase or decrease the font. Tap on Font Style. You'll see a list of available fonts. Select any font you like, and it will be applied instantly. If you want more options, tap on Download Fonts. This will take you to the Galaxy Store, where you can download additional fonts, both free and paid. Once downloaded, come back and select your new font. You can also adjust the font size using the slider, or turn on bold font if you want thicker text. And that's it. Your font style is now changed. Thanks for watching.